For life centers in Huntsville, Alabama, we start with an odd-shaped piece with a highway to the south, and we started working with them and the architects on various scenarios. This is one of the original ones. We're not showing you the final scenario because we want to respect the rights of the design, the unique design, but we're showing you a little bit of the evolution. This neighborhood is in conjunction with a senior housing development, as you can see in the building on the right. Now, it's surrounded by single family to the north, which is just basically rear yards, and we wanted to create along the main boulevard a very warm front porch looking neighborhood, which we maintained throughout the design process. We also wanted to give every unit a panoramic view. Now, this study has attached housing, not too dissimilar to some of the units that we're using today on some other developments. So it gives a nice presence. And the main entrance is shown over here, and yet from the highway in the south, which is potentially a very high noise level, we actually have those rearing an alley behind a stone wall. That way you've got a sound barrier. No one's looking at the backs, which are not unsightly, but they're not as great looking as this. So we wanted to create a neighborhood where you could sit out on your front porch, walk. I know I'm sounding like a new urbanist, but all of our neighborhoods, we agree with the new urban movement that we should make them more social, and that's really in demand today. Not just from the urban buyers, from the millennial, which is a huge new market, and people are changing. So the back ends of these units, you can see they're semi-attached at the garage. They're actually very nice looking, and we maintained that throughout working with the architects. So this again is this era where planning and architects merge. There is a main trail that goes through this neighborhood. And again, it's for adults, active adults. We have detention ponding behind the community center, as you can see, and along the walk, so it becomes a feature. And it's just a very attractive place to live. Even though it's dense, it won't feel dense. Now, of course, there's some areas where we have to pinch, homes closer together, but with the inset parking, which is another thing that we work through with many architects, we're able to reduce the distance from the back end to the parking. So this neighborhood really came together well. It's under construction today.